If you want to make viral videos without knowing video editing, then this video is a game changer for you. Right now, these types of POV videos are getting millions of views on Instagram and TikTok, but on YouTube, there's almost no competition. These videos aren't just scenes, they create an experience. That's why people watch them again and again, share them, and fully engage with them. And the best part, you can do all this using only AI tools. No need for any complicated software. So in today's video, I'll show you step by step how to make these viral POV videos from idea to image and animation in a very simple way. So if you also want to create something new, powerful and emotional on YouTube, make sure to watch this video till the end. So in the first step, we need a script, and to create the script, I'll use GPT. So I have prepared a custom prompt that you can use to get a script written on any topic using GPT. You just have to type your topic here and press enter. As you can see, by using this prompt, you'll get a first-person POV story. Along with that, you will also get image prompts that match each scene. And if you want a voiceover, you'll get the script for that too, all from this one prompt. Not just that, you'll even get sound effects that can be used in the background, which are very important for this kind of video. So now let's move ahead, and using the same prompt, I'll show you how to create a video like this. So I'm making a video on a Titanic survivor. So I'll just type Titanic survivor in this section and press enter. So as you can see, I've received the full script. It includes the voiceover script, image prompts, background sound effects that should be used, and even an estimate of how long each scene should be last. So I had asked it to create 6 scenes, and now we have 6 complete scenes, which is perfect for a short video. So if you like the result on the first try, you can go ahead and use it as it is. But if not, you can make a few small edits to improve it. So now it's time for our second step, which is the image generation. So you can generate images from anywhere. If you're working for free, you can use Leonardo AI. It creates very high quality images. Besides that, you can also use Ideogram AI or even Meta AI to generate your images. Take my advice, try generating your images from different websites, because every AI tool has a different model and is trained on different data to understand prompts. So when you experiment with different sites, you get a variety of results. That increases your chances of finding the one that matches your scene the best. And then you can use that one in your video. So generating images isn't a difficult task. I told you so many times before. To create images, I've used Leonardo AI, Ideogram, and Meta AI. And now I'll show you the results I got from each one. So as you can see, the images I got are really good. Each tool gives slightly different results, so I'll just download the ones that match my story the best. So when I was generating images on Meta AI, I got a new update. Earlier, Meta AI could only generate images in a 1:1 ratio. But now you can change that. For example, when I generated this image, I saw some new options. You can simply select the ratio and change it to 9:16 or 16:9. Then when you regenerate the image, it will convert to the selected aspect ratio. Generating images here is really easy because they are created right here, and then you can animate them as well. So now we have reached the third step, which is converting our images into a video. So if you have generated your images on Meta AI and are animating it there as well, you will just need to click on the download button next to the 3 buttons on the side. From there, you can download your video. But if you want to use another tool, for example, if you generated your images on Leonardo AI and want to animate them, there's an amazing tool called Digen AI. You'll find the link to this website in the description box. So once you go to this website, you'll see its interface looks something like this. Simply click on the Create button, then click on the Upload button to upload your image. Here you also get a place to enter the prompt. So I'll just copy the image prompt from GPT and paste it here. In a short time, our video will be ready. It doesn't take much time. While it's processing, I'll show you the result of my other videos as well. So you can see how smoothly the animation has been done here. But there is a watermark which you can easily remove or crop it. So once your video is ready, you can download it directly from here. So far, we have completed 3 steps. Let's move on the first step, which is voiceover. So normally these videos don't have a voiceover, but if you want to add a little extra change and include a voiceover in your video, that's a great idea. So to generate the voiceover, I'll use 11 Labs. So go to the 11 Labs website, and here you can select the voice you desire. Since my story is in a male version, so I'll choose a male voice. And after that, I'll paste the script here and set the stability to 30% and similarity to 80%. Then I'll generate the speech. So once the voiceover is ready, you can just simply download it. So now that our voiceover is ready, let's move on to the next step, which is collecting sound effects. You can easily collect sound effects from the Pixar effect site. Honestly, when you're using an editing tool, there are usually a lot of sound effects available there as well. So first, I'll check what sound effect GPT recommended for scene number 1. So it suggests a gentle ocean breeze sound effect. So I'll just simply search for it here. So as you can see, I'm getting a lot of ocean sounds here. So if I need a footstep sound effect, I can search for that too, and it will be easily available. So this way we can search for and download the sound effects for each scene easily. So now we have our video, voiceover and background sounds ready. The final step is to merge everything and create the final video. For that, we'll go to our editing tool. So as you can see, I've imported all the files including the animated images and voiceover. So first we'll set our voiceover and keep the video aspect ratio at 9:16. And then I'll play the voiceover and adjust the video accordingly, syncing everything properly as the video plays. I've adjusted the videos, but as you can see, some of the animated images were generated using Meta AI and the other with Digen AI. So the ones from Meta AI were generated in a 1:1 ratio, while the ones from Digen AI are already in a 9:16 ratio. However, there's a watermark appearing on some of the videos. So to remove the watermark, I simply crop the video a little. And for the Meta AI videos, which we generated in a 1:1 ratio, I'll crop them to 9:16 ratio here. So after this, I'll add the background sound effects. I had shown you how to find sound effects on Pixar, but here in Filmora, I can find sound effects as well. So I'll just simply select them here and adjust them. Remember, if you're adding a voiceover, you should lower the volume of your sound effects a bit. Use the fade in and fade out options to smoothly integrate the background sound and make it sound nice. But if you're not adding a voiceover and are only using background music, you can keep the volume at full. And after this, I'll add transitions. I noticed that in videos like this, blink eyes transitions are often used. So I'll add the blink eyes effect to every scene. And also, if you feel like something is missing in your video, like in this scene where the Titanic isn't looking like it's sinking, so I'll add a fire sticker here to enhance the video and make it look better. You can also add effects like these to enhance your video. And at the end, I'll add the auto enhance effect, which improves the overall quality of the video. And after that, I don't think anything else is needed. We have our background music, voiceover, the video enhanced, and the transitions effects added. I think the video is ready. So let's go ahead and check out the final result.
I stood before the Titanic. It felt like a dream. The cold breeze touched my face as I gazed at the open sea. The evening lights made everything feel royal and calm. Suddenly, a strong jolt. Everything changed. People screamed. The Titanic was sinking fast. From the lifeboat, I watched her disappear into the sea. I survived, but the Titanic never left my soul.
So you saw how we created amazing cinematic video using AI without any camera or actors. All you need is the right tools, a bit of creativity and smart prompts. That's it. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and tell me in the comments what topic you want next. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Because here, making content with AI is both easy and fun. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.